This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build.
Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 52 of building the legendary cyborg Robocop. In this issue, we're continuing our waist installation. After looking at the rust shoot on a tight budget, yeah, this was 5 days before the release of Robocop 2. The second sequel. Yeah, this is the third part, not doing well. 1993. More than 3 years later, but yeah, third one didn't do very well. There we go. But feel free to read all about that if you like. Yeah, this is part 2 of the waist. We're at the front of the waist and the joints that connects the waist to the upper torso. So yeah, we're putting this bit together and then putting in the bit from last time onto the top of that. Nice and easy stuff. Conversation between chatbots, Bob and Alice. It's interesting. You set AI against AI. What happens? Good stuff. Living concrete. Interesting. Standard concrete cracks, but this one seals its own cracks. It's quite cool. Evolving buildings. Nationwide engineering. Yeah, I like the idea of that. Buildings that heal themselves. Why not? Yes, before we clear this out of the way and get on with the building, it's free gift time. In this pack, I've received another free gift. This one being another backpack. It's quite a nice backpack. It's got the side pockets for your drinks and things. It's got multiple openings. Let's have a quick look at that. I haven't actually opened this yet. So we've got the front flap, laptop type thing, quite a thin packet, and then the main internals. Let's do the front one back up again. Main internal, quite roomy, quite nice there. And then there's another one at the back. Another big one at the back with a slightly padded. It's not the best materials. You can feel it feels a bit, yeah, but it's okay, and it's free, so you can't go too wrong there. The logo there is quite nicely embroidered on, rather than just being a sticker. And yeah, quite nice shaping, patterning at the front there. Obviously the straps do the job. Another free gift. Can't go wrong with a backpack. I shall probably not use it for anything, but I'll put it aside with the other backpacks I've got from the other part works. So let's clear all this out of the way and get on with the build. So this is what we've got today. A couple of plastic bits of the waist, bag of screws, and from last time we've got that bit. So what I shall be doing is, well, let's use up the BP screw from last time so we don't have lots of kits floating around. We're going to need 3 to hold that in place, and then 2 to hold last issue's piece in place. Get one more of those out. Come on. Let's take out the sticker than I needed. So now I've got 2 spares in there instead of 2 bags with 1 in each. That aside for another time. That goes on there. Like that. Got a lot of air gap in the middle of that, but it's okay. So 3 screws hold that together. Down that side. There a little bit. That'll do for now. One at the top. And there. The third one that holds that in place over the other side. Same. So that lined up. Let's get them tightened in. on that one, and the first one is tightened up last. There we go. So that's that all nice and secure. Then that goes on there. Got to get this the right way round. There's little indentations on two sides of that, which need to go over the posts there. And then the screws hold that down. Good. Go. That one and that one. The other side. And there we have the beginning of the waist. Don't know exactly which way up it goes, but I'm sure it will all become clear at some point in the future. So, there we have some internals. So that's it for this issue. Join me for the next one when we're going to be continuing with this a little bit more. So stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.